This course offers a comprehensive introduction to fire risk mapping using the remote sensing and Google Earth NG. And student will learn the fundamental of remote sensing, explore how to map environmental risk factors like the vegetation, temperature, and wind speed, and gain hands-on experience with Landsat satellite data and Google Earth Engine cloud computing platform. By the end of the course, the learner will be equipped to analyze and visualize the fire risk mapping, which can support early warning system and disaster response strategies.